welcome to another episode of Carolyn and her clothes. And it's been quite some time since I've done any kind of videoing. I've been a little bit busy. As I've told everyone before, that my channel is basically me sharing the joy of fashion with you guys, and I have another job. It's my primary source of income, and this is just kind of like my hobby for fun. So I only come on when I feel inspired to share something with you. I was actually going to do a video on my Valentine's Day outfits, but you know what? I started filming, I filmed like the first couple days, and then I kind of looked and like, the outfits I have on are kind of boring, and I just didn't feel they were exciting enough, and I just didn't have the energy to get up and film every day. I was busy, life got in the way, and honestly, if I'm not enthusiastic about the items that I'm purchasing, I'm not gonna bother sharing it with you. If I don't have joy, you know, how are you guys gonna have joy? Nothing was wrong with the outfits I was sharing, but it was just, you know, nothing special. But I wanted to jump on to tell you how my no-buy is going, or not, and you know, just kind of explain to you where I've been and have a video to head up because I am getting a bunch of boxes in. All right, so first up, my no-buy. Let's see, we bought a vacation. We put a big down payment for our airline tickets for this summer to go to San Diego. So that was an expensive purchase. And then we ended up leasing a car, and we put a down payment on that as well too. And sizable. And if anyone's been following the way cars are now, they're going for above sticker price, and leases are absolutely ridiculous. But I got to the point where I could no longer deal with not having any wheels, and my daughter and I were fighting over the one car. It was originally, I was gonna give her the car to begin with, and I kept telling her that at her 16 years old, you're gonna get the car when you turn 17, and I was gonna get a new car. But then life changed, and I no longer needed the car for work. I'm work from home. But I still need to go food shopping, go to my nutritionist, you know, doctor appointments, and she would just I'd be home sometimes, I would have no food in the house, and she would just be off with the car, and it would cause a friction between us, because it's like, you know, you gotta ask me if you're gonna go out when you weren't planning on going out, because I might need the car, and she would be off with the car when I needed it. So it got to be too much, and my husband got sick of it, and he said, that's it, we're just gonna lease something. One of the reasons why we didn't get a new car besides that is my daughter's going away to college, and we have been doing college tours, and that's another reason why I have not been on here. And she's going to college, and we're not gonna give her her car her freshman year, at least the first semester, all right? So how is my no-buy going? I'll see, I just told you 2 major purchases that we did. And then I lasted probably about until the 20th. It was the pretty much President's Day weekend, so maybe a couple days before that. First purchase I broke down and did for myself, all right? Somebody I know, an old coach from Orange Theory, I don't think she coaches any longer. She promoted this on Facebook and tagged a bunch of people, and she showed the before and after on her stomach and how it reduced all this wrinkling. If any of you have been following me, I had a significant weight loss, and I have been overweight most of my life, and unfortunately there's a lot of loose skin. So I'm not happy with my body shape, and she showed the before and after effects. So I said, what the heck? Okay, I'll get it. You know, my husband saw that I Venmo'd her, and he's like, oh, you didn't buy it, because he saw it on Facebook too. So you didn't buy that crap, did you? I'm like, yeah, I did. I suckered for it. It's called New Skin Age Logic Dermatologic Effects. I bought it off of her for 60 bucks. It is on Amazon for around that, maybe a few dollars less. There are reviews on Amazon for it. They're mixed reviews. I went on other websites, mixed reviews. So far, I do think it does make a small improvement. You're supposed to use it twice a day. Some of the reviews said they didn't do anything. I do see a small improvement. And the other people said you have to continue using it, otherwise your skin just sags back. But if it makes any kind of improvement at all, it makes me feel better about my stomach, I'm all for it. So, you know, I've been using this only a couple days now, so I'll let you know as if time goes on if I end up purchasing another thing. The next thing that I bought, and you're gonna laugh at me, I couldn't wait. I had to buy these hangers. And I will show you a video of my closet redo at the end of this. They do save room in my closet, but not significantly. Basically, my closet looks a lot neater now without the white plastic hanger. So I could not wait to buy these. All right, the next thing I purchased, I did that style session with Shannon and Meredith, and it called for a plaid scarf, and I didn't have one. So I bought this plaid scarf off Amazon, okay? And this is exactly the plaid type of scarf that I was looking for. This is super soft. It feels like cashmere. Oh, it's 20% cashmere, 80% viscose, so a nice fabric. Really, really soft. I think it was $15. Totally happy with this purchase. And what I'll try and do is I will link the items in the description box below in case any of you are interested. The next thing I did is I went over to Loft. I have been dying to go to Loft, right? So I finally went to Loft because I thought I was going to purchase a ton, and I just looked around and I went, you know, I could pass. But they had t-shirts, and I did need a navy blue t-shirt. So I got this plain, boring navy blue t-shirt. I think I paid $15 for it. It was, you know, I'm not gonna model this for you. It's a boring blue t-shirt, V-neck t-shirt. It fits quite well. Let's see, I think it's 100% cotton, I'm pretty sure. Let's make sure, yes, it's 100% cotton. So for those that are natural fibers, it's 100% cotton. It drapes very nicely. They had other colors, but navy blue is what I needed. So get this, when I leave the store, they have it in a brown paper bag, because I think now the plastic bags are gonna be obsolete in New Jersey. So they had it in a brown paper bag, and the wind was tremendous outside. This thing blew out of my bag along with the receipt, and I was walking maybe 2 stores down before I realized, gosh, my bag seems kind of light. So now I'm running back to try and find where the shirt went, right? And then I finally found the shirt, and it was on a bush with thorns on it, and I had to reach into the bush and on dirt, my new shirt. Granted, it was only $15 in a t-shirt, but come on, I just bought it. I had to rescue it out of this bush, and when I did, I pricked my hand. It was bleeding all over the place, so yeah. So I will have to probably wash this before I even wear it. I know some of you wash your clothes no matter what before you wear it. I usually don't, but this one fell in the dirt, so I think I will. Okay. The next thing I bought, and this is highly unusual for me, but I thought it was about time because it's been a while. I don't really wear makeup. I wear eyeliner, and I wear mascara, and I wear perfume. And it was time for me to get some new things. And I do not wear makeup. I don't know what I like. Well, certain things I do know what I like. So the first thing that I went and I stopped at Sephora, and I always ask the salespeople what to help me. So I told her I need like a dark brown eyeliner, and I'm not very good with liquid, but I am open to trying to use, all right? And I have the pencil. I don't like the pencil. It hurts like when I put it on. So she gave me this stick. It's called Aqua Resist Color Pencil, Makeup Forever, in color Ebony, which is very close to black, but not quite black. It is waterproof, full impact guide eyeliner, all right? I like it a lot. So if you are a person that does not like liquid and you're still using the old-fashioned pencils, this might be for you. It goes on very smooth, very soft, and I just take a makeup wipe and wipe it off at night. It's no big deal. The next thing I got, and that I'm very familiar with, is Ilia Mascara. Now this is the tiny bottle. So I have Ilia, and I specifically requested this again, and the reason why I have it is because it was recommended me by a previous Sephora employee. So again, I'm not a makeup person, and during the pandemic I started wanting to wear eyeliner and mascara, and I think that was all part of YouTube, because when I was filming I noticed like I looked awful without it. So it's like, all right, I'll suck it up and put on eyeliner and mascara. And when I started using mascara, my eyelashes kept falling out. And I'm like, that kind of defeats the point of mascara. So I spoke to them in Sephora, and they recommended Ilia. And I have been using it all along, and now it's like kind of getting clumpy and running out, so I wanted to go new Ilia. She says, you probably have the old version. Do you want to try the new? So I'm like, I don't know. So I bought the smaller size. This was only $15 in the smaller. I highly recommend this brand of mascara. It goes on very easily. It's very gentle to your eyelashes, and it comes off very easily with the makeup wipe. So I highly recommend Ilia. I got the newer version, which the only difference is the wand, and supposedly it makes your lashes thicker, the newer wand. I don't see any difference. You know, if they have the newer one, I'll probably go with the newer one when I do buy a full size, but I'm fine with this little one for now. The last thing that I bought, both Kayla from Kayla's Closet and Shannon both use Marc Jacobs Daisy perfume. So I went there and I told the woman I want to try some Marc Jacob Daisy, and I'm smelling them all. I'm smelling on it. I don't know if you know this, but after a while, they all start to smell alike. You don't remember which one you like better. She goes, "Why don't you try this new one called Marc Jacobs Perfect? It's really popular." So I put it on and go, oh yeah, that smells nice. Well, I bought the small little bottle, and I think I'm gonna only buy this size in perfumes for a while now because I get sick of my perfumes and I like to rotate. So this is $30, which is a lot. I know you can buy a bigger size and it'll be a little bit more economical, but I get tired of my perfumes, so I think I'm gonna stick to the smaller size. I love this perfume. I also highly recommend go there, put it on you, smell it. It is so pretty, so light. I like it a lot. So yeah, that's my purchases. All right, so give me a minute and I'm gonna show you my closet and how it's transformed. And I just kind of wanted to do this video as like an intro because over the next couple days, I should be getting 5 different boxes. That's right, 5 different boxes. So yeah, my no-buy is officially over. I'm gonna still have to budget out because I can't afford to buy everything in my boxes, so all of you are going to have to help me. All right, stay tuned for the closet transformation. All right, so here is the closet makeover. I'll post a link to the last video that I've done for my closet where I put in just the new hangers. And there's still my box of purses down there at the bottom. I switched them out, believe it or not, to my spring summer purses already. And over here are the my dresses and skirts. And you can see I have extra room there, but I don't plan on filling them out because I really just don't reach for dresses and skirts. And here are my pants. And then over down here are my third layers, the most difficult area to put more items in. And my jeans, which was no change. And then all my long sleeve blouses. So that is what I changed in my closet. It's just the swap out of the hangers, nothing else really. So you see, it does definitely save space if you compare my last video. But it's still quite congested. It doesn't save as much space as I had hoped. Something else I never showed you guys, I don't think, is this jewelry cabinet that I have. So I got this from Amazon and it was $125. I got it last year for my birthday. It was like a request for my husband. So let me open it up and let me show you how it is inside. So up at top you have your rings, and then you can like hang necklaces or bracelets, and then you have some shelves down here, and then you have 2 little drawers down here, and then over on this side you can hang your earrings, more necklaces and bracelets on that bar, and then more necklaces down below, okay? So this is totally worth the investment. It was $125 from Amazon, and it fits perfectly right between my closet and my bathroom. So I just wanted to show you this, and I'll try and find the link for you below of the cabinet. Totally worth it, very happy with it. And on top of that, it's a full-length mirror, as you can see, so I can get dressed in the morning and see myself. So it kind of serves 2 purposes. Okay, thank you. Well, how'd you like my closet? So it's a little bit of an improvement with the hangers, but not as much as I hoped. Well, I just wanted to say thank you again for returning subscribers. I appreciate your support. If you haven't subscribed yet, why not? What's holding you back? There's like 30% of you who are not subscribing. I'm free, all right? Give me a thumbs up and click that notification bell to get notified of future videos from me. Take care, and until next time.